From Louisiana. Hey, Tiff.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, Justin.
Welcome in. The goal today, not to burn myself.
Good luck.
Yeah, for real. I'm just going to glue me a little bit of moss on here. You know, once...
Watch me catch my shirt on fire.
I just hope I don't burn you. I'm just putting a little bit of glue on here because once I start putting everything in here, a lot of people do not like moss at all. I like to give it a little bit of coverage because if I don't get my greenery full enough, we got to get some coverage on there, okay? All right, and then I'll fill back in with some of this that I've got. Some baby's breath that we have. And just remember, all of our sprays, you can just kind of break them down, tear them down a little bit.
Morning, Center. Y'all going to watch the Super Bowl this weekend?
Oh, yes. We are. I am. I think I'm the only one that watches some football.
You're not watching? I just don't care about football.
Yeah.
I mean, I might watch Usher.
She's going to love football when her son starts playing football.
Yeah.
Yes.
Usher. Me and Macy did a little performance earlier of Usher.
I see it on TikTok.
Stay tuned. We did a Toby Keith contribute to
Oh.
When they just use flashlights.
a concert.
She's like, yay. She's going to be there for another week.
Probably.
What fun. How's them children treating her?
I'm sure lovely.
Lovely.
Y'all quit dogging. Look how she's.
Y'all leave her alone.
How does she spell it?
DAWGING.
I think you can spell it that way.
Just look at it on here though.
Y'all are so mean. Y'all do this to Morgan every time she's not here.
How did she put the rabbit on the block?
Okay, I took never throw away your pieces of stem that you have that you've cut off. And so I saved these and I took a piece of stem, cut it off, and put some glue on it and run it up through my rabbit because this is a styrofoam rabbit. And then I just put it down into my block of Oasis or styrofoam, floral foam.
I'm filming this so you can go back and watch YouTube.
How was the block on the candle holder?
I glued that as well. So I took just some glue from my glue gun and just glued the floral foam to that. And I'm using a glue pan today. It's easier to work with when you're using a glue pan for, arrangements.
I feel like I might can manage something like this.
I think as opposed to this, because once you start adding, you got to keep adding. You got to get it fixed.
Tiffany said Lorie is giving me Shania today.
Shania.
Your denim.
I was trying to find something blue to go with my blue here.
Don't
and
worry.
denim.
Tiff, we have found T&M gives jerseys and
Oh.
really Lorie to start wearing
We
them
did.
in the lives.
Love it.
Yeah, it's
Sunshine.
actually kind of warm here
Yeah.
this week, but I think it's going to turn cold.
Is that Oasis or Styrofoam base?
It's Oasis, and it's only because I didn't have any styrofoam. You want to use styrofoam, not Oasis. Okay? So sorry.
Oasis like shed.
No, Oasis is for water,
Yes.
and styrofoam is for arrangements like this. I do apologize. I knew someone was going to recognize it and call me out on it, but
I need this piece for my table, Morgan said.
Oh.
Jen's wreath shop said, lots looking gorgeous. She may have meant to say Lorie.
She's going to do a hair
I'm
tutorial
looking
for y'all
gorgeous,
soon.
or is my bunny looking gorgeous? Oh, I am going to do a hair tutorial
Tiffany
sometime.
said, I think we
Done
need to do some Q&A interview style.
Oh, yes.
Q&A.
Question and answers.
Question and answers. So,
Now?
No, I think she means like do a sit down. Which,
look,
well, we could do
I
it
would
now
have to have
too.
someone to help me, like actually interview me to do that.
Yeah, that's what we.
do you mean right now or like
Oh, yeah.
video?
When do you mean, Tiffany?
I think we should do, maybe she means like a whole separate live
Y'all
question
give
and
us
answer.
some questions. Oh, she's saying the crowd.
But our pricing is usually at a
Pretty much.
good price anyways.
Yeah. A lot of people say that we sell a lot of ribbon. We have a lot of ribbon. We have a lot of different types and patterns of ribbon, textures, colors. Most all of our ribbon is 10-yard rolls. We do have some limited designer ribbon. We have more designer ribbon coming this year, but most of our ribbon prices are better than most places that you're going to shop. So a lot of people from all over the United States contact us about our ribbon.
Tiff said this is so true. And I really wish.
Or maybe I just never,
They had a spelling bee.
maybe they never told me.
You were never invited to the spelling bee.
Yeah, I probably
Y'all
never
had, like, they never told you because they had, like,
I didn't make
We
the
had-
cut.
The
You
way
did-
we did it was from every class, you had somebody that won, and then they competed
That's right.
against each other, and then we went to county.
yeah. And you never competed? You never done that? You're saying you never
had
made
to,
it?
like, raise your hand if you wanted to participate, and I just didn't.
Macy.
If I could ride, it would be okay, but I probably really would have won.
Are you using excuses? If I could ride, if I could read, if I could
Well, can you ride at the spelling bee?
write
No.
the.
No.
You could carry a pen and paper up to, or a pencil and paper up to your podium and like write
See, I
down.
don't know if
I'm
you
not real sure.
technically can. Let me Google it.
Yeah.
Yeah, ask away.
What do you want to know?
Yeah.
We're open books
Mm.
here.
No, we're not open books, but you can ask away.
I love the butterflies.
I know too.
I need one to come way up here, don't I?
How would
Like
you do
above.
that?
Huh?
How would
She
you
can
do it?
keep
Oh,
it.
I can. We
Oh,
can do that.
do one of the long, leave one on the long stem.
I love the long pieces of greenery. Where do you get it? You can get it at tmigifts.com.
And it is called Clematis. We're running a little low on it, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
But it
make sure you
is
get
it's
some.
really pretty. You can break this up. I've cut this up into some smaller pieces and some longer pieces. It's a very beautiful green color.
So you can get it at tmigifts.com.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a florals section.
Florals
Or
and
you can type
greenery.
Do that. You're too young to.
It was.
Once you start, you don't stop. If you ever start, and when you stop, you're going to regret it because you're going to look
didn't
older
need
than what
one.
you do. You're
Hey,
too young
I
to be doing
started,
it.
I just
know.
did it twice and I hadn't done it in 2 years.
Yeah.
Well, you might need it again. Look at them wrinkles around your eyes.
need it.
You just have it done in your forehead or your eyes or where?
I had it before our
You had it in your
wedding.
forehead.
Yeah, I had my forehead and by my eyes.
That's where I want mine.
The hair?
Mm-hmm.
Be watching those wrinkles. They'll just come on. You'll
No,
be
I
like,
have
oh my
them
God.
I
bad.
have them anyways.
Yeah, I know. I mean, we all have them.
No, Morgan ratted me out. And I made an appointment with Hannah and them. It was
Yeah,
Oh,
see,
yeah.
something like that.
That Talavera pottery.
no,
Okay.
a ginger jar on top.
Do y'all like the blue? You think a little bit more blue on the toward this side and around to the back, possibly? I think we need two.
What are you asking?
The blue. I think
Oh,
we need
yes.
some more blue.
Yeah, I
Are
think
you
I would
doing-
just make it even
Are you
on the
doing
other
a bow,
side.
like on the middle part?
I don't know. You know, sometimes you get to add. I've got ribbon to do a bow on there, but
Timmy
sometimes when
said more blue
more blue.
Yeah,
More
I think
blue.
I would just make it even.
all the way out.
I'm not gonna make it even,
Well,
but I
similar.
am gonna add some.
Make
more.
them cousins,
Okay.
not sisters, cousins.
Okay. That's a good. That's a
Have
good
you heard that
analogy.
about eyebrows?
Is that what you say about eyebrows?
Yeah, like mine are
Please
cousins.
don't
They're
make
not
mine
sisters.
cousins.
I have the same problem.
Cousins. Please don't make mine cousins.
Like when you draw them in, mine are definitely cousins.
Ugh. Wish I had some eyebrows. I want some microblading done.
Me too. I need some Botox also.
Oh, don't want that.
Why?
Please don't.
Not going there.
You don't need it though.
Well,
You have good skin.
thank you.
The last time.
If you're just now joining us, this is the girls at TMI Gifts. You can shop everything you see here at tmigifts.com. Okay, I gotta turn it around to me. Let me look at it one more time.
Where would you put something like this at?
Oh, on a kitchen table, on an island, a bar. Yeah, this, y'all, this, let me look.
That's gonna sell.
This,
I think I might need it.
This, I mean, you wouldn't do the rabbit, but you could put a cross in this and do this at a church with this blue on there. I think that would be so
probably
pretty.
take the rabbit out too and replace it with something for summer.
Oh yeah,
You know, like
absolutely. And so we all love the blue. We all know that we love the blue.
blue's very in.
Oh,
If you're just joining us, let us know. If you're new joining us,
so pretty. And this is just a candlestick.
has Tiff got Zebby yet?
Let's see. I think she's on here. I think getting close if she hasn't.
No.
I'm gonna show this up close just so y'all can see.
Do we want to use this? Yes, it covers really good.
Well, you can't really see. So
So what time do you guys prefer to watch TikTok? Morning, midday, or at night? Or late evening?
You never know when we're going to be busy on TikTok.
I'm
Honestly.
a nodder
You're not.
Do you watch it at night?
because I mean I'm at work, so I don't
Yeah.
watch it at work.
Yeah, I don't really look at anything till like 8
I
o'clock.
said looking
Yeah.
super. Tiffany said not. Kathy said not.
Yes. Yes.
I don't
looking
really
pretty.
watch in the morning. And
So is it looking good on that side, you guys?
That's really cute.
I'm gonna keep adding here. I've got to fill it in. I'm going to add. I love this salvia pig right here.
Yeah, it's
I used this last week as well.
Tiffany said, "Hello." Dad said, "No, ma'am." Yeah, that's literally what he said.
I said, no, ma'am.
Well, everything's bad for you, so it's fine. Do what makes you happy.
They really gonna be.
That's
mad when I come
true.
Back with some
That's
filler
true.
on my lips.
Everything's so
When you're
bad.
over 40, did you say when you're over 40? Or when, just do
Just
whatever
in
wants you-
general.
Oh, do what makes you happy.
Yeah.
There's some limits, people.
Yeah, I mean, like, that's within good morals and standards.
There you go.
Yeah, getting baby Botox is not gonna affect
Baby
my life.
Botox. I have heard it all today.
We're teaching Lorie the newness.
Take me on all.
I am getting
Thanks,
something wrong with
Botox.
that because my forehead is horrible.
What are those called?
Leaves.
Those just came off that. So you get that if you get the blue spray that comes
Oh,
on it
that's
too.
part of the blue.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Sorry,
You
I'm,
got extra blue.
and I'm gonna keep all of my.
I really like that blue spray.
Yeah, it
It's
really
very
makes
pretty.
it pop.
That dahlia.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what that's called?
Delphinium.
Delphinium. Sorry. Yeah.
Delphinium.
I'm just using some of this greenery. Is the lady that asked about the greenery, is she still on? What was her name? Macy, you know yet?
Scroll low.
She says she never knows when to stop with the greenery.
That
I have
was
some-
Timmy.
Timmy, oh, Timmy said that. Yeah, I'm getting the same way. Like you kind of got to get those florals in there, and then you just got to kind of figure out how to close up those holes, you know, a little bit. I don't know. We've lost our momentum. You know, guys have been running around all day
Doing concerts. and
doing
stuff.
concerts and stuff. You know, getting ready for the Super Bowl. Trying to be Usher.
We might be
Anybody got
looking
any-
for some backup singers soon.
Ben's Wreath Shop said new to you, but saw
Yeah.
Max opening his goodies.
Yay.
This
Check us out at
collection.
tmigifts.com. All the products you see here are located on our website. I'm going to use some more of this, just a little bit around here.
Kimberly said not yet.
Okay, I got to turn around, Maddie.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really cute.